The Entities Manager is used to create, edit, and delete projects, visits, and subjects. Enter the Entities Manager from the main window by clicking on the Entities Manager button. The Entities Manager window consists of 3 panels. In the Projects panel, all created projects are listed. In the Visits panel, all visits of the selected project are listed, and in the Subjects in Visit panel, all subjects of the selected visit are listed. The Project panel contains a list of already existing projects. Above the list, you can see buttons to create new projects and to edit and delete existing projects. With the Add button, you can create a new project. Write a name for the project. If necessary, you can add notes. Add a new visit. In the Visit panel, existing visits are listed. Above are buttons to create new visits and to edit and delete existing visits. With the Add button, create a new visit. Write a name for the visit. If necessary, you can add notes. After creating a project and visit, add a subject to the visit. Create a new subject by clicking on the Add button in the Subjects in Visit panel. Fill in the first and last name of the subject. If the subject already exists in the database, it will be shown in the table and you can select it. Otherwise, click Confirm to add a new subject. If the subject already exists in the database, select it from the table below and click Confirm. In the Edit Subject window, you can create new subjects by defining the subject's last name, first name, date of birth, sex, or subject ID. All other parameters are optional. There is no need to enter the subject's weight, because the software will automatically start the process of weighing when you enter the test for the first time for this subject. In case you have already configured and connected the plate, you can weigh the subject by clicking on the button Weight. Under the Type, you can define the subject's profile. If the profile doesn't exist, you can add a new profile by clicking the Manage Subject Types button. In the Subject Types window, you can add, rename, and delete all 3 type levels. You can also add a picture of the subject by clicking the Add Picture button. Select the picture that you want to add. You can write additional notes for the subject and load various files. When you are done, confirm the changes with the Confirm button. The project, visit, and subject can be deleted by clicking on the Remove button. You have to be very careful when deleting a project, visit, or subject. When a project is deleted, all visits and measurements assigned to the project will be permanently deleted from the database. When a visit is deleted, all measurements assigned to the visit will be permanently deleted from the database. When a subject is deleted, all measurements that were performed for the subject will be permanently deleted from the database. By clicking the Remove button on the Subjects in Visit panel, you remove the subject from a visit, and all the subject's measurements for the visit will be permanently deleted.